Hi everyone, in this tutorials video I will showing you how to create this cool sky transitions effects. As you can see here, this so let's start open a new projects in Kinemaster. Okay, select the video that I would like to upload. Yeah, this is the video. Okay, now go to the layers and then select the basics and choose the red colors. Okay, now back to the filters. Okay, bring the contrast to higher to 100%. Okay, and also then the transactions also to hundreds. Okay, now if there is a dark colors, and then you can go to the layers and select the brush, and I'm going to use this brush with the big ones. Now I'm going to paint the area is dark colors. It's to be the same and easy to fix it. Okay, like this seems nice. Okay, now I'm going to extend this painted area. Okay, now it's ready. I think I'm going to export this video, and I'm choosing for the export this HD 720 pixels is to be faster export. Okay, now the export's done. Now we need to open a new project. The same before we start, and then we are going to choose the setting, editing, and bring the top layers to 0 and select the fill screen. Okay, now we are going to choose the pictures. This all pictures comes from pixels I've already downloaded. Now we are going to add these pictures as much as you can. Okay, now we are going to add the video we already uploaded or exported, sorry. Okay, this is the video we uploaded before. Now we are going to make it wider. Okay, this position is nice for me. Now we are going to activate the chroma key, and we can adjust it. Seems nice to me. Okay, now let's play. Okay, now I'm going to extend the last pictures. Okay, and also I can use these effects. If you guys like to use the effects, also can. Okay, now the video is ready, and I'm going to add some mosaics. Okay guys, now the video is going to finish, and then we cut the extra parts of songs, as you can stream. Okay, it's ready to export this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share to your friends, and also active the notifications for the next new video once I upload it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.